Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you fix Messenger story not showing. So let's start. Now first, let's go ahead and open up Messenger. Now from here, if you tap on stories, you should be able to see the story of your contacts in Messenger. Now, if there are some stories that do not show in here, what you can do is you can go back to chats, tap on the three lines in here, go to settings, and tap on privacy and safety, and tap on story controls. Now here, tap on stories you've muted and make sure that your contact is not on this list. And also, you want to check if there are some blocked accounts here, and also make sure that your contact is not on this list. Now, if everything checks out but you still have that kind of problem, what you can actually do is go to your settings and go to apps. Now from here, let's type on Messenger. And scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, and that should solve the issue. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.